Passport, please. Sure, here you go.
What is the purpose of this visit?
I'm here on vacation.
What is the purpose of this visit?
I'm here to study.
Do you have a return ticket? Yes, here it is. Your disembarkation card, please. Here you are.
What is your last name? Korkmaz.
Where are you from? I'm from Turkey.
Please empty your pockets.
Okay.
All your belongings in the basket. All right.
Where is gate 10A? It's over there.
Where is the gate 10A?
Go straight on and turn right. Boarding pass, please.
Sure, here you go.
I would like a window seat.
Okay.
This hotel looks nice.
Yes. It looks clean.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. We have a reservation.
May I see your passport, please?
What time is breakfast?
Huh?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Great, thank you very much.
Here are your key cards. Enjoy your stay.
The elevator is on your left.
Thank you.
Can we have a late checkout? Yes, until 2 o'clock.
Which floor is our room on?
It's on the 6th floor.
The elevator is very quiet.
Yes, it is.
This floor looks nice.
Yes, let's find our room.
Wow, this room is very nice.
Yes, and the bed looks comfortable. The view is very nice.
Yes, I like this room.
I want to rest for a bit.
That's a good idea.
We need room cleaning, please. Okay, no problem. I have a reservation at 9.
Welcome. Please follow me. What do you recommend?
This is the most popular.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
I would like the chicken, please. Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
I would like an orange juice, please.
Sure.
Can I have a toothpick, please?
Of course.
Check, please.
Here is your bill.
Everything looks good.
Yes, it does. This place is very nice, Pine.
Yes, it feels relaxing.
How long will you be staying?
I will stay for 5 days. How much is this?
It is $10. Any discount?
This is the final price.
Okay. This one, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's on sale. I will take 2 of these. Great choice.
Do you accept credit cards?
Accept cash only.
I need a plastic bag.
Well, here you go.
I have to think it over.
No problem.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's 2 streets away.
Can you show me on Google Map?
Sure, look here.
Please take me to this address. Okay, get it.
Is it far?
No, it's very close.
Please stop right here. Here we are. This is defective. I'm sorry about that.
Can I help you? I'm just browsing.
Is this tax-free?
Yes, it is.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi. Nice to meet you too.
Hey, where are you from? Yeah.
We're from Turkey.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's very nice.
Where are you from?
We're from Turkey.
Oh, Turkey, cool.
Nice talking to you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. I would like a bus ticket, please. One way or return?
Which metro line should we take?
Take the blue line.
I will call an Uber.
Okay. Tickets, please. Here you are.
Please stop here.
Okay.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's over there.
I need some medicine. What is the problem?
I have a headache. Do you have any allergies?
Take this twice a day. Okay, I understand.
I need a doctor.
Please wait here.
I have an allergy. What are you allergic to?
I need a SIM card.
Sure. For calls or internet?
Do you have an internet package?
Yes, we do. Where can I charge my phone? You can charge it here.
Can you take a picture for us? Sure. What time does it open?
At 9 o'clock. 2 tickets, please.
Here you are.
Can we have a guide?
Yes, of course.
What time does it open?
At 9 o'clock.
What time is the tour?
At 2 o'clock.
We would like to check out. Sure. May I have your room key? My room key doesn't work. I will fix it for you.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
I will write it for you.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Where are you flying today? I'm flying to Istanbul.
What time does boarding start?
At 10 o'clock.
Boarding, please.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, it was.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.